join him on stage, I call upon Mr. Daniel Houghton, COO, Lonely Planet Worldwide. Well, Imtiaz really needs no introduction, but I still would like to say a few words about him. So this Jamshedpur boy started out with theatre and was involved in setting up the Dramatic Society in Delhi's Hindu College. Once in Mumbai, he worked extensively in television, directing quite a few popular serials. In 2005, he made his feature film debut with Socha Na Tha, which over the last decade has become one of the most loved films on television. And then, Jab We Met in 2007 made a star director out of Imtiaz, as the Shahid Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor starrer became a big success at the box office, winning love and praise from audiences everywhere. Since then, Imtiaz hasn't looked back, delivering one fantastic love story after the other in Love Aajkal and Rockstar. His forthcoming film, Highway, is almost ready for release, even as he prepares for his next project starring Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone. Imtiaz, your films have always fascinated us, and we love the way each of your films take us on a journey. In the footsteps of Geet and Aditya in Jab We Met, Jay and Meera in Love Aajkal, and Heer and Jordan in Rockstar. Before you unveil the book, I would request you to say a few words.
Highway.
Isn't Daniel too young to be a CEO of such a big company? It was a shocker. So Aditi, thanks a lot for kind words, not only about me but about filmmakers and how they have been involved in promoting travel and tourism in the world and locally in India. Many of us in our childhoods have traveled because of them. And I can return the compliment by saying that when I started traveling, I realized that in all the destinations that you go, the cool travelers always have a particular guidebook in their hands, and it's called The Lonely Planet.
Thank you so much.
And so I thought this is a slightly exotic, interesting thing to do, to have this book, because the chilled people have that. So then that's the reason why I got fascinated, and I picked it up and I realized that you can make a travel into anywhere in the world with it. Now, more or less, wherever I go, I do carry a Lonely Planet. It really helps me it saves me time, it gets me to the right places, and I don't need too many local contacts, etc. And then later on, when I was approached for this concept, I thought it was really shocking that somebody has come up with this. Because what has happened, Daniel, is that we are a very movie-crazy nation. And there are actually, in places like Manali and Shimla, etc., there are tourism agents who take you on a Jab We Met tour, for instance. Jab We Met is one of the movies that I've made, but for everyone, for various movies, there are tours by the names of movies. And it was very, I think, creative and very innovative. And I think it's going to be also very hardcore useful to have a book like this released. I've flipped through it, I've not read the whole thing, but it seems to have a lot of detailed information and insight. So all the best for that. And I think these are the things that, it's also my endeavor somewhere to encourage people to travel to those parts of the country and the world where they usually don't. For instance, in Highway, we went to a lot of places in Himachal, in the Kinnaur district, Kalpa and Reconview, etc. And I felt that, how do I get people here? So I think this really helps in a big way. So thanks a lot and all the best.
Sesh, will you please join us on stage?
बाइट लेना है क्या? धीरेन धीरेन बाइट लेना है? वो नहीं है,
बाइक नहीं है।
जो लोकेशन आपने चूज़ किए हैं तो कुछ उनके बारे में बताना चाहेंगे कि कैसी चल रही है हाईवे की तैयारियां और कहां तक पहुंचे आप हाईवे तक? हाईवे पर
ये क्या इवेंट है, आप कैसा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं?
तो लोकेशन है तो वही ट्रैवल।
हाँ, but he's asking about a movie that I've made recently. Yeah. So yeah, the answer really is that हाईवे में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोकेशंस हैं. हाईवे जैसा कि नाम है, उसमें बहुत सारे लोकेशंस हमने ट्रैवल किए हैं. And many of the locations where I've shot the movie in are not frequent places to travel, but I think it's the places to go. I would recommend those kinds of places. So I'm very interested to know, and if people get curious about those locations and find their way to it. Yeah.
इंडिया इस बुक के बारे में बताइए, ऐसी क्या खास बात आपको लगी और जो आप इससे जुड़े, और अगर बुक लॉन्च है तो आई मीन बहुत पहले हो जाना चाहिए था, आपको लगता है कि जो फैंस के और ऑडियंस के लिए जो हेल्पफुल रहता?
मुझे इस बात का ताज्जुब है कि अभी तक ऐसी बुक क्यों नहीं बनी थी, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये लोनली प्लैनेट वालों ने बनाई है, बिकॉज वो ट्रैवल समझते हैं. और मूवीज जैसा कि अदिति ने पहले कहा था कि बहुत एक पावरफुल मीडियम है लोगों को एंटाइज करने का. और जैसा कि आप भी जानती होंगे कि हर जगह किसी भी टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन में आप जाएंगे तो वहाँ कहते हैं कि आइए मैं आपको ले चलूँ जहाँ पे फलानी फिल्म की शूटिंग हुई है. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू दैट. आई नो दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गो टू सर्टेन डेस्टिनेशंस chiefly because their favorite movie or the movies that they have liked have been shot there. So it was a brilliant idea, I think, to get both these two things together in a book like this.
Okay, पुरानी फिल्मों की बात करें.
But I'll add a word to that. One of the basic research showed us that not a single taxi driver taking a tourist forgot to show some Bollywood spot. You know, this is the stone where this was done, or this is where this. So that's what the research said. So I think location and movie was important for a tourist.
इंडिया पुरानी फिल्मों की बात करें तो कोई आपका ऐसा लोकेशन जो आपने फिल्म में देखी होगी थिएटर या टीवी पे और आपको
मैं समझ गया, मैं बताता हूँ. वो एक फिल्म थी गुलामी फॉर इंस्टेंस, ऐसी मैं वो जेपी दत्ता ने बनाई थी बहुत साल पहले. उसमें फतेहपुर शेखावाटी राजस्थान में उन्होंने शूट किया था, पूरे राजस्थान में. वो शेखावाटी district which a lot of people don't usually go to, you know, places like Mandava and Dundlo, etc. It's only because of that film that I went there. And I went there 10 years after I'd seen the film. And after going there, I shot 2 of my movies, parts of my movies over there. So I hope that then more people are going to go there because of my movies and so on and so forth. That's just one example. I think there are many such examples. And just like anybody else, I go here, go to these places and they say that वहाँ पे, for instance, when I went to Kashmir for the first time, I was a kid, and they said आपको शालीमार बाग ले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे जंगली की शूटिंग हुई थी. और जब मैं शिमला गया था पहली बार कुफरी, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि यहाँ से शम्मी कपूर ऐसे स्लाइड करते हुए गए थे बर्फ में. So we made it a point to see these places. It was like seeing film stars themselves.
इंडिया
जैसे कि आप जब भी मेट में एक पंजाब को सिलेक्ट किए लोकेशन डाले हैं बहुत सारे, तो जैसे कि आप जमशेदपुर से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो कभी ऐसा सोचे जमशेदपुर में कुछ ऐसा लोकेशन है जो हम डाल सकते हैं आगे मूवी में, फिल्म?
आप कहाँ की हैं? जमशेदपुर की?
या मैं उसी साइड की हूँ।
हाँ हम
तो आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ जो वहाँ पे भी कुछ ऐसा लोकेशन है जो
बहुत है वहाँ। डिमना लेक है, दलमा पहाड़ है ना? It's a very beautiful place. But my brother Sajid is shooting there as we speak. He's making a movie there. So hopefully he will. And also Vikram had gone there and shot his film last time. Remember? Udaan. Udaan is shot in Jamshedpur. And he went there because he's my friend, so I recommended it to him.
ओके इम्तियाज जी, एक आखिरी सवाल मैं आपसे करूंगा, हाईवे की बात करूंगा मैं। मैंने सुना है कि रणबीर कपूर को भी एज अ गेस्ट के रूप में लाना चाहते थे आप, लेकिन शायद उन्होंने कुछ
नहीं
ऐसी कुछ खबरें हैं, मतलब सही है?
कोई बात नहीं, आप थोड़ा प्लीज यहाँ की बात कीजिए।
सिंस फिल्मों की बात कर रहे हैं, कल पाकिस्तान के कोर्ट ने पाकिस्तान में इंडियन फिल्म रिलीज होने पे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाई है। उससे पहले अभी परसों ही 10 टीवी चैनल्स पे एक्सेसिव कंटेंट दिखाने की वजह से 10 मिलियन का उनको भेजा गया है रैप पे। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये फिल्म मेकर्स को अफेक्ट करता है, क्रिएटिविटी को कहीं ना कहीं बाइट करता है।
क्रिएटिविटी को बाइट तो नहीं करता है, मार्केट को बाइट करता है। एंड I feel that, I mean, being an Indian film director, I would want Indian films to be shown maximum number of places in the world, and wherever they are not showing it, it's not a matter of happiness to me. That's all I can say. I don't understand the politics.